EasyEquities has disrupted the South African investment industry by making it possible for every single South African to invest their money and grow their wealth. This empowered many South Africans to take charge of their own finances, which created a strong knit community of like-minded people looking to build a better life for themselves and their families. So in today's video, I am going to give you guys my full review of the EasyEquities investment platform by giving you a quick overview of the company, taking you through the platform, showing you all the different accounts that you can open, the products and vehicles available to invest in. We are going to look at the fees, rewards program, security, customer support, future prospects, and at the end, I will give my full verdict of who I believe should use the EasyEquities platform. There's quite a lot to unpack here today, but trust me, by watching through this whole video, you will know exactly how to use this platform in the best possible way to help grow your wealth. Now, EasyEquities is by no means sponsoring this video. This will be my unbiased, objective review based on my experience with using this platform over the past year. But if you do decide to sign up with EasyEquities, I do have a link down in the description that you can use. That will give you a free 50 Rand cash voucher when you sign up, figure your documents, deposit funds, and make an investment. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get started. Now, the main aim of EasyEquities that you will hear echoing throughout this whole video is to make investing fun, cheap, and easy. It used to be back in the olden days that the only way that you could invest your money was to hand it over to a large investment company who will then charge you a bunch of unnecessary sneaky fees for doing something that I truly believe that every single person can learn to do themselves. This created three barriers of entry to investing. First, it was expensive. Second, you needed to go through a bunch of tedious paperwork just to buy and sell shares. And third, it was simply just not any fun. Now, the founders of EasyEquities identified these problems, and using their expertise and innovation, they founded and grew the company to where it is today. Right, so who are these pioneers of personal investing that I am talking about? EasyEquities was founded by Charles Savage in 2014. It is a subsidiary of the JSE listed company Purple Group, which currently has a market cap of 2.9 billion Rand, and it is powered by the authorized financial services provider First World Trader. Its main offices are situated in Braamfontein, Johannesburg. They currently have over 1.5 million customers as of the recording of this video, and this number is quickly on the rise. Now, I already made a very comprehensive tutorial where I show you guys exactly step by step how to open an account, which important settings to change, how to navigate the platform, how to deposit and withdraw money, how to buy and sell shares, what order types are and how they work, and basically everything that you need to know when you first open an account with EasyEquities. Now, in order to save a bit of time, I'm not going to go through all of that today. So if you are still brand new to this platform, then please go and watch my tutorial after watching this video. I will link to it here in the info cards and down in the description. Now, what I really like about EasyEquities is that the platform is really easy and simple to understand without any tricky tech jargon or complex functionalities. As you can see, by creating a single profile, you will have access to 9 different accounts as well as 2 demo accounts. This already simplifies your life, as instead of having 9 different accounts with 9 different providers, you can just have everything under one roof. Right, so let's quickly run through each account and see what it offers. First up, you will see your EasyEquities ZAR account. With this account, you can use your rands to invest in various different products listed on the JSE, including shares, ETFs, ETNs, crypto, unit trusts, baskets, and bundles. Again, if you are not really sure what the exact difference is between all of these products, then please go and watch my tutorial. Under each investment type, you can sort its products by various category tags, and you can search for the product in the search bar, which makes navigating the platform much more efficient. When browsing through all of your different stocks, it is quite useful to add them to your watch list so that you can easily keep track of their performance. You can click this button to show the monthly performance and prices of all the stocks on the page, which makes it really easy to compare. The next account that you can open is your tax-free savings account. This is arguably one of the most important investment products that you can take out in your life. And If you don't know why, then please go and watch my playlist over here. Within your tax-free savings account, you can buy JSE listed ETFs, unit trusts, baskets and bundles, which you can sort according to their risk profiles. Next up is your EasyEquities retirement annuity, which is another really important product that you should have. Again, I have a whole playlist over here explaining exactly everything that you need to know about RAs, so you've got some homework to do, hey? Within your RA, you can invest in JSE listed bundles and unit trust. I will say that although it is convenient to have everything under one place and that EasyEquities does not require a minimum monthly investment, in my opinion, EasyEquities does not currently provide the best retirement product available on the market. The fees on the RAs from EasyEquities are quite high when compared to passive RAs from other providers like Signia and 10x, and the available funds to choose from is also fairly limited. They only recently introduced their RA account, so their fee structure may become cheaper in the future. But as of now, I would personally invest my RA elsewhere, and I explain exactly why in my video where I compare the 5 cheapest RA providers in South Africa. Alongside the RA, you can also open up a preservation provident fund and a preservation pension fund, which you can then use to transfer your pension or provident fund from your old employer should you ever switch between jobs. I haven't had the need to open any one of these accounts before, so I cannot really comment on them, but from what I could research, they work pretty much the same as the RA account. Next we have the Easy Properties account, which is another exciting, innovative product from EasyEquities that seems to be doing very well. Just like EasyEquities democratized investing into the stock market, it also made it much more easier for everyday South Africans to invest in the property market without having all of the hassles of managing the property yourself or having to put down millions of rands through the fractional shares model. The Easy Properties dashboard is really simple, easy to understand and easy to navigate. I will probably make a full tutorial on exactly how to use the EasyEquities Properties account somewhere in the future, so let me know down in comments if that is something that you guys would be interested in. But yeah, you can basically browse through all the different properties that are currently available, each one with a detailed description, valuation and prospective documents, reasons why it is a good investment, the growth of the property in the area, the floor plan and the financials, which include the estimated net rental yield, market valuation and internal rate of return. If you are an aspiring property investor, then I believe that this is a very good place to start, as you can learn quite a lot about the industry by only putting down small amounts at a time, therefore avoiding costly mistakes. Okay, then the last local account is the Demo ZAR account, where EasyEquities will basically give you 100,000 rands of free monopoly money that you can use to practice buying JSE listed shares, ETFs, ETNs, crypto, baskets and bundles. Again, another great initiative by EasyEquities, as they give you a chance to learn their platform and how to invest without charging you any real money, which I think is extremely important for new investors. Better to make mistakes with fake money, right? Now, EasyEquities not only allows you to invest in the local South African market, but you can now also invest your money offshore by buying shares in the international brands that we all know and love, including Tesla, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, amongst many others. You can convert your rands to US or Australian dollars within the platform and then use the EasyEquity US dollars account to buy US based shares, ETFs, ETNs, baskets and bundles, and the EasyEquities Australian account to buy Australian based shares or ETFs. You also have the EasyEquities US dollar demo account where you can also practice your investing skills with 10,000 US dollars of monopoly money. And then lastly, an account that I actually only recently discovered is called the Easy Crypto account. It used to be that you can only buy the EC10 bundle in your EasyEquities ZAR account, which contains the top 10 crypto coins weighted by market cap, but now you can actually buy 11 individual crypto coins using the Easy Crypto platform. Again, this platform is neatly designed, easy to navigate and quick to set up. Alright, so let's look at some of the unique features of the EasyEquities platform. After you bought your investment products, a summary of your account will be shown under Account Overview. This will include your total value, the profit or loss you made in both rand or dollar terms, and a percentage, a circle diagram with a description of your investment products, some info on the fees you paid on that account, and then below that you will see a list of your investment holdings, each with its own picture, purchase value, current price, and profit or loss value and percentage. And then if you click on a holding, it will expand to show you more info like the number of shares you own, your average purchase price per share, some additional research on the company, and a graph showing you the 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 1 year, and max performance of the holding. You can also view your pending instructions, which are those made outside of market hours or when using limit orders, and a short summary of your recent transactions. Overall, I really like the interface. I think it provides a lot of useful information and it just have a clean, neat look. What I do wish that EasyEquities can add somewhere in the future is a performance graph of all of your investing holdings together, where you can track the total performance of your entire portfolio. I would also like if they can add a section where they summarize your dividend payments, as it is currently very difficult to keep track of these. Right, so when you want to buy or sell shares, you simply click on the holding, which will then take you to a summary page where you can see the logo, name, ticker symbol, category, performance graph, short summary, and additional research. On the right hand side, you can see the buying or ask and the selling or bid price. You can either enter the amount or the number of shares that you want to buy, and it will then give you a transaction summary of all of your fees, which I really like and appreciate, as it just shows that EasyEquities is completely transparent and is not in the market to try and shaft you with hidden fees. They also give you the option to donate money to a good cause, and you can set up buy and sell limit orders if you want to be fancy. And then apart from this, the web platform has 2 menus, one on the top and one on the left, which makes it really easy to navigate where you need to be. So 2 of the best features of EasyEquities, in my opinion, is firstly the fact that you can literally start investing with as little as 5 rand, and secondly that you do not have to buy whole shares. This is called fractional investing, which means that if one share of a company costs 1000 rand and you only have 10 rand to invest, you can still buy 1% of that share. This is not easy to find with a brokerage platform and is one of the many reasons why EasyEquities is loved by so many South Africans, as it breaks down the barrier of entry and makes it possible for everyone to say that they now own shares in all of the companies that they love. Apart from this, EasyEquities will also allow you to invest in newly listed IPOs, transfer money between your different accounts, and buy investment vouchers for your friends and your family. Another unique feature is the EasyEquity loyal program called MyThrive, where you can receive up to 100% discount on your brokerage fee on certain stocks and ETFs if you complete specific activities for the month. This is an attempt from EasyEquities to encourage good investment behavior by offering guidelines on how exactly you should try and structure your portfolio, as well as a bunch of educational videos that teaches you the basics of becoming a responsible investor. This is just another sign to me that EasyEquities truly has the best interest of its investors at heart. The platform allows you the option to have the amount you want to invest to either include or exclude brokerage fees, and you can choose if you want to reinvest your dividend payments back into your holding or just simply have it paid out as cash. You can set up recurring investments either from the free cash portion of your account or directly from your bank in the form of a debit order to automate your savings. You can also create an account for your child and set up this recurring investment to make sure that you are contributing to their education without needing to manually do this every single month. The platform also has a built-in risk analysis tool that you can use to determine your personal risk tolerance, and it also provides a service called Mr. Fee, who can basically act as an asset manager or financial advisor by managing your investments on your behalf for an extra fee of around 1.5% per year. You also have the option to take out insurance on JSE listed share purchases for an annual fee of 0.6%, which will cover you for any losses caused by allegations of management fraud and dishonesty from the company that you are invested in. The EasyEquities app is available on both Android and iPhone and is very intuitive and easy to use. It currently has over 500,000 downloads on Google Play with an average rating of 4 out of 5 from 3,170 reviews. Right, so now let's look at the fees that EasyEquities likes to boast about. Again, I went into detail on what all the different fees are and what exactly they mean in my EasyEquities tutorial. So in order to try and spare you a bunch of boring jargon, I will just give you a summary over here. Please note that all the fees that I list here does include the 15% VAT. EasyEquities charges no monthly fees for its EasyEquities ZAR, TFSA, US dollar and Australian dollar accounts, but do charge an annual admin fee of 0.35% for its RA account and an annual platform fee of 0.29% for any unit trust investments. If you buy and sell individual shares in your EasyEquities ZAR account, the brokerage fee will be around 0.64%. For ETFs in your EasyEquities ZAR and tax-free savings account, you will pay a brokerage fee of 0.37%. For both individual shares and ETFs in both your EasyEquities US dollar account and your EasyEquities Australian account, you will pay a brokerage fee of 0.64% when buying an instrument and 0.65% when selling an instrument. If you want to invest in property on the EasyEquities property platform, you will be charged a once-off brokerage fee of 1.73% and an annual platform fee of 0.69%. On the EasyEquities crypto platform, if you want to buy individual cryptos and the EC10 bundle, you will need to pay a once-off brokerage fee of 0.37%, and if you own the EC10 crypto bundle, it will also have an additional annual management fee of 2.3%. It is free to fund your account when making EFT transfers, but if you use a credit card, you will need to pay a flat fee of R1.60 plus 2.3% of the total value deposited, which is quite expensive. Making inter-account transfers between your EasyEquities ZAR and tax-free savings account is free, but if you want to exchange your rands for US dollars or Australian dollars, it will cost 0.57% per conversion with a spread fee of around 2%. Then there are also a bunch of smaller fees. For example, when you want to buy baskets or bundles, when you set up recurring investments, and when you make use of the market and limit orders. All of these can be viewed on the cost profile on the website, but seeing that very few people actually use these, I'm not going to elaborate on them in this video. You can receive discounts on your brokerage fees by completing the Thrive challenges, connecting the Capitec widget if you bank with Capitec, or by using your Easy Money. But yeah, the most important thing is that EasyEquities is extremely transparent about their fees. Your costs will be communicated to you upfront when you transact, and you will also be given a breakdown of line items on your transaction invoice, which will be emailed to you right after you make a purchase. EasyEquities has a rewards program where if someone signs up using your referral link, they will be rewarded with a free 50 Rand cash voucher, and you will also receive 50 Rand in Easy Money, which you can use to offset your brokerage fees. So if you found this video helpful so far and you want to help out this channel, then please use my referral link to sign up and also ask your friends and family to do the same. I would really appreciate that. EasyEquities is actually also running a massive promotion until the end of June 2022, where you can win up to 100,000 Rand in prizes. So make sure to sign up, figure your account, make your first deposit, make your first investment, and make sure to ask everyone that you know to do the same so that all of you can be entered into the draw. EasyEquities is a product of First World Trader, which is an authorized financial services provider. It is therefore regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or FSCA in South Africa, which makes it a very safe place to keep your money. The money that you invest with EasyEquities is kept separate to both EasyEquities and First World Trader. So in a very unlikely scenario where First World Trader goes bankrupt and gets liquidated, your funds and investments will still be safe. EasyEquities does unfortunately not have two-factor authentication on the platform, which is just an added level of security that I believe is really important to have on every brokerage platform. But hopefully they will add this at a later stage. I found the help center on EasyEquities to be quite helpful, and it managed to answer about 98% of my own questions. By the way, I read through this whole damn thing just to make this video. So please go and shopper the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. If you have any questions or issues, you need to submit a ticket on the platform and then wait for communication via email, which usually takes about 1 to 2 business days. You can also phone the trading desk to assist you with purchases, but this will come at an additional fee of 50 Rand. EasyEquities has no online chat function, which is something that I really hope that they can introduce in the near future, as their response time via email is quite slow, to be honest. EasyEquities has won multiple awards for its innovation as a fintech company from places like Business Day, Accenture, Startup Grind, and Fintech Africa. You can view your transaction history on all your accounts and download your account statements and tax certificates on the platform once they become available. EasyEquities has a vast database of educational resources, including an ETF blog, ETF magazines, ETF webinars, a research portal, YouTube channel, podcast, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram pages, where they regularly post research, expert opinions, and customer stories to help guide beginning investors in their journey. It also has a strong community of followers, especially on Twitter, to whom EasyEquities constantly engage with. The EasyEquities platform is rapidly expanding with new innovative products and accounts. They are doing an excellent job in trying to create an all-purpose platform that will fulfill the investment needs of any investor. In terms of future projects, I read somewhere on Twitter that they are in the process of opening an UK-based offshore account, which would be groundbreaking for me if this will allow us to invest in Irish domiciled ETFs. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail as to why this is the case, but if this realizes, then I would most definitely make a video that you do not want to miss, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, so now for the final verdict. Who do I think should use EasyEquities? In my humble, objective, and unbiased opinion, every single South African should open an EasyEquities account. I've been using this platform for over a year now and have invested more than 70,000 Rand myself, so I can confidently recommend that every single South African would definitely benefit from doing the same, even if you haven't invested a single cent before. The platform is really easy to understand. There are tons of available resources online that will help you to decide what to invest in. And there is a very strong community of EasyEquities investors who are all cheering each other on in their respective investment journeys. And again, if you open an account using my link down in the description, you can get an instant 50 Rand free cash voucher to get you started with. But if you are a short-term stock trader, then EasyEquities is not the platform for you. Their live prices are delayed by 15 minutes and their customer services is rather slow. So if you want to capitalize on short quick trades, then you can rather check out the gt247.com platform, which is also a subsidiary of the Purple Group company. EasyEquities is for long-term investors who are patiently looking to grow their wealth by constantly investing every single month. I'll end off this video by quoting a section on the EasyEquities website. We've got common purpose. We dream big and want to see everyone investing. That means rewriting the rules, breaking away from the norm, and creating a culture of empowered savers and investors. And I couldn't agree more. EasyEquities, well flippin' done. You guys are doing an awesome job and are literally changing the lives of so many South Africans every single day. Thank you, and I salute you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do let me know down in comments if you guys like these kind of in-depth reviews, and also let me know what kinds of platforms or companies you would like me to review next. You must all have a lekker day. Cheers.